I've got a hole, it's pretty small, but hole nonetheless in my air compressor hose. I'm using some, this is a tape, I think it's friction tape. I bought this on Amazon. It says high pressure. This goes up to about 80 pounds, but I'm going to do up to about 100. So this is to wrap once or twice with the clear film on, and then remove the film and wrap it. Let's see if I can get my knife here. Just want to cut just the film. There we go. And for 100 pounds on this particular tape, it says do 30 wraps. Actually, stretch and wrap. There we go. Okay, let's stretch that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'll do 30 wraps. And I've got 30 wraps on there. Carefully cut that off. And I've got, let's see how much pressure's in there. There's about 35 pounds. Got a little bit of a leak there. Whistling there, huh? I'm gonna have to wrap some more tape around there. And I wrap some more of that. It's actually called silicone tape, self-fusing repair tape. Wrap that around there, and it put more tape around there, and I got her sealed up. Be sure and check out my other videos.